Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove an NP300 front bumper. First, gather all necessary tools. You'll need a socket wrench set, various screwdrivers, and a plastic trim removal tool to avoid damaging paint or plastic. Also, ensure your workspace is flat, well lit, and safe for working on your vehicle. Having everything ready makes the process much smoother and more efficient. Next, begin by removing all visible screws and plastic clips that hold the bumper in place. Pay close attention to the wheel well areas, where you'll need to carefully detach the inner fender liners. Don't forget to disconnect any electrical connectors for components like fog lights or sensors before proceeding further. Take your time to avoid stripping screws or breaking clips. Now, locate and unbolt the main support bolts that secure the bumper to the vehicle's frame. These are typically found underneath or behind the bumper cover. Once all fasteners are removed, gently pull the bumper away from the vehicle. It's highly recommended to have a second person assist you, as the bumper can be surprisingly heavy and awkward to handle alone, preventing accidental drops or damage. After successfully removing the bumper, take a moment to inspect all the removed parts for any signs of wear or damage. Keep all screws, clips, and bolts organized in a container so they are easy to find for reinstallation. This is also an excellent opportunity to clean any accumulated dirt or debris from the area behind the bumper before you proceed with any repairs or replacements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.